I'm Jelorhela Salverio, and for today's discussion, let's tackle one of the most important cell organelle, called mitochondria. Our lives run through doing our daily jobs. In the morning, we wake up, do exercises, and eat foods. Do you know that the foods we eat are being used to make energy, or adenosine triphosphate, ATP for short?
Most of the energy is provided by the tiny structure called mitochondria. What is mitochondria? A mitochondria is a round to oval-shaped organelle found in the cell of almost all eukaryotic organisms. These mitochondria are the powerhouses of a human body. They take fat, sugar, and protein from our food, combine it with oxygen, and converts it to energy for our cells and tissues such as muscle and brain. Mitochondria have their own DNA that is crucial to this energy conversion process, but it is different to the DNA found in the nucleus. So this is what mitochondria looks like. They are surrounded by double membrane system consisting of inner and outer mitochondrial membranes separated by an intermembrane space. To be specific, it has a main compartments. The outer membrane, which is permeable to certain ions and small molecules. Next is the intermembrane space, which has a composition similar to a cytosol. Other one is the inner membrane, in which are found in the respiratory chain proteins. It is also folded into multiple cristae, allowing for a large surface area. And lastly is the matrix, or the inner part of the mitochondrion, where most of the metabolic reactions take place. Now, let's move forward to its main functions. Mitochondria is a cellular organelles that are essential for aerobic metabolism and energy production through oxidative phosphorylation, which is accomplished by the respiratory chain. Mitochondria is also involved in metabolic pathways such as beta oxidation, Krebs cycle, and the synthesis of iron-sulfur clusters. Now, before we end this discussion, let's identify the importance of mitochondria. There are several processes that are linked to mitochondria, and they are associated with a range of health conditions. Malfunctioning mitochondria have been implicated in neurodegenerative diseases, heart disease, diabetes, and cancer.
Mitochondria are critical to cell survival in a variety of ways. For instance, they store calcium ion, helping cells maintain the right concentration of these electrically charged particles involved in blood clotting, muscle contraction, and other important tasks.
Moreover, mitochondria is very important because they are initial production site for steroid hormones, including cortisol, estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. So, have you learned something from our topic today? Good! Thank you for listening.